Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to use frame mask for branding mockups. Start by opening a new document and setting the canvas size according to your branding project. For example, 1920 by 1080 pixels for digital mockups. Select the Frame tool and create frames where logos, product images, or promotional visuals will appear. Drag your images into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them. Double-click inside each frame to adjust positioning and scale, ensuring everything aligns with brand guidelines. Keep text layers separate so you can update slogans or product names independently. If you need to swap images for